first graders, so we have 2 fun activities with our Super E, or Sneaky E is what they're calling it today. So what you'll see is a list of words, and then you'll also see long A, long I, long O, and long U. Now remember, the long vowel says its name, so this would be A, I, O, and U. So I don't want you to cut it out because we have another game on the back. So if this were me, I'd circle it, and I'd read the word, whole, and the E tickles the O to say its own name, O, whole, and I'd say, oh, that's under the long O. Okay, I wouldn't cross it off just in case I'm not correct. Okay, let's look at the next one. The E tickles the I to say its own name, I, time. So I'm going to circle it, and I heard that it said the long I sound. I'm going to write time. Time. Now you don't want to write too big, or else you won't be able to, you won't have enough room. Okay, I'll do one more with you. The E tickles the A to say its own name, A, sail. I hear a long A, and I'm going to write sail. Now I will put the answers at the very bottom of today's work, but try to see if you can do it on your own. Our next activity is a game. You can play it with your family or sibling, or just by yourself. So you need a pencil. Actually, you can just use a crayon. So what I do is put it in the middle, your pen or pencil, and you spin it. And hold on, let me get a paper clip. So you grab a paper clip. See, that's my paper clip. And I hold it right in the middle like this. And then I can spin it wherever I want. Okay? So, if you don't have a paper clip, you can try to just spin it with your pencil. Use a paper clip and a pencil for the spinner. Spin and then read the word you land on. Find a matching word around the game board and color the word. See how many words you can match. So if you want to do it alone, you can do it that way. Or if you want to do it with a partner or a friend, find a partner and use 2 different color crayons. See who has the most spaces in the end. Okay, so I'll just do a couple. Let's say I'm doing it alone. Okay, I look where it ended. That's mode. So maybe I'll get my green and I'll find mode. Where's mode? Is that mode? Yes. I don't think that's supposed to be mode. I think it's supposed to be made. Sorry, guys. So I'm going to color made, and then find a matching word around the game board and color the word. So made, 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 made. Oh, maybe you're only supposed to do 2. So I should have done just 2. Okay, I'm learning too as I do this. Okay, let's try again. Oh, on the line. Wild. Okay. So if I'm playing, if a partner was playing against me, they'd get their color. Oh, wild. Wild means you get to go again. So then I'd go like this. I'd spin it again. It's on the line. Wild again. Rule. So if this was the partner, they'd find a match with rule. Okay, so you keep taking turns until all the matches are full. And then whoever has the most matches is the winner. Okay, friends, I will write the answers to this at the end. This is a game, so there aren't really answers, but I will try to help explain it later. Okay, bye everyone.